Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you how we can use a case statement in order by clause. Okay, so most of the people get confused whether we can use a case statement in order by clause or not. So yes, we can use a case statement, or Oracle also provide a decode statement, so we can use both the statement in order by clause. Okay, so in this video I'm going to give you one simple example where we are using a case and order by clause together. Okay, for that purpose I am using some sample data that Oracle provides in a HR schema, that is the country information. Now as you can see on the screen, these all are the countries that are available in our database. Okay, so to display this record in ascending order by your country name, so what query that we need to write? So query is very simple. Okay, so what will the query? So like star form hr.countries order by country name. Okay, so this is our output. So all the data gets ordered by the country name in ascending order, so we don't need to write the ascending keyword over here. By default Oracle sort this data in ascending way, and if we need to order it in a descending, so we need to write a descending keyword bar. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, but now you can see on the screen, what if I want to display this record in this way? You can see on the screen that Egypt, I want Egypt to be appear on the first row, France should appear on the second row, Germany should appear on the third row, and the rest of the data should get display, by a country name. Okay, by ascending order. You understood this? Again I'm going to explain you this example where I want to display Egypt in the first row, France in the second row, Germany in the third row, and all the other data or all other countries I want to display in a ascending order by the country name. Okay, so your output will be this. So we need to write a query for this output. Okay, so what will be your query? So I'm going to write over here now. Select from hr.countries order by. Now here we can write a case where country name is equal to, I want Egypt in the first row, and 1 when country name is equal to France, they want to display in a second row. When country name is equal to Germany, I want to display it in a third row, and the rest of the record should get order by country name. So in else write a country name. This is your statement. So I want all the columns in my output, so I will put star over here. Okay, now you can see the error expected number got carried. So what is the meaning of this error? So data type of the country name is a character or is a varchar, but value that I am going to assign is a number. So I need to convert that number to a character. So either you can put it in a string, or you can use a toChar function to convert the numeric data to a character. Now you can see the output. If you see over here, first three row, in the first row you can see the Egypt, in the second row the France gets appear, and in the third row Germany, you can see the Germany in the third row. Okay, and the rest of the data gets ordered by the country name in alphabetically. Okay, so this will be your query to display this output. Now you can see this this data and this data is matching. Output out, you can see the output. Okay, now how this query gets executed. Okay, so when the Oracle executes this query, the Oracle engine first fetches all the data from the country name or the country table. Okay, so this will be the first step. After that, there is no any of here clause or group by clause or having clause, so directly Oracle execute the order by clause. So this whole the parts is your second. So Oracle execute the order by class in the second step. First step, Oracle fetches all the records from the country table. The second step, Oracle go to the order by clause and order the records by this condition. So what is the condition? If the Oracle engine gets the country name as Egypt, then it's convert that Egypt to the 1. Okay, so this Egypt got replaced by 1 logically, not physically, it's logically. Similarly, if the country name is equal to France, then convert this France to 2, then this France is get logically replaced by 2. And similarly, Germany gets logically replaced by 3. Otherwise, country name, I need to put a country name as it is. Okay, understood. So if I write this case statement in a select clause, I will give the aliases order country, I will give the aliases to the country table, and I will put a t dot star. Now you can see, if I execute this, then you can see the output of that case statement. This Egypt get replaced by 1, France get replaced by 2, Germany get replaced by 3, and the rest of the records are displayed as it is. Okay, so Oracle order these records logically by order country. Okay, so this is a logical column, so this is logical data. Okay, so this is the one way to write a query. Either you can write this query by using case statement in order by clause, or else you can write this in this way, as you can write the case statement in a select clause. After that, use that column name or use that aliases that you are giving to the case statement in an order by clause. So in this way also you can write this query. Okay, but if you don't want to, or if you don't want to use that case statement in your select clause, or if you want to don't display that order by country, that column on the select clause, then you need to prefer the first way, that is this way. Okay, okay, so this way you can use a case statement in order by clause. Understood? Thank you so much.